Hi, I'm Mark Lynch. This is my video presentation for my CET 323 final project. For this project, I built a guitar amplification and distortion system. The system consists of the plastic enclosure, which houses all the electronics, a speaker box which has two 4-inch speakers. It's all powered by a 9-volt battery, and of course the guitar. The enclosure has 3 switches: an on-off switch, a turbo distortion and an overdrive switch, volume knob, and the input for your guitar. I'll turn this system on. Both of the distortion switches are in the off position, and the volume knob is about halfway up. I'm going to strum the guitar, and you'll hear there's a clean, non-distorted guitar sound. Turn the volume up a little. Now, this is basically based off the Little Gem amplification circuit provided from runoffgroove.com, modified a little to suit my needs. There are 2 gain pins that are currently in the open position for the minimum distortion on the LM386 IC. And when I push the overdrive button, this shorts that gain, those 2 gain pins, providing a distorted signal, which you'll hear. I just opened those 2 pins back up, and it's a clean sound now. The most difficult part of this project was making the printed circuit board and enclosure. I actually ran out of room. There was supposed to be another gain knob, or actually probably 2 gain knobs for the distortion, but I actually had to take those out because I ran out of room on the front panel. I built the printed circuit board, drilled it, and put all the components on. You can see on the back of this, it's pretty messy soldering. It was my first time making a printed circuit board, so it's definitely a learning experience. I have one LM386 behind that big capacitor there. I have one MPF 102 field effect transistor and 2 BJTs. The rest of the components are all either capacitors or resistors. And on the front panel I have 2 switches to activate the distortion, 1 switch to turn on, the audio jack for the input of your instrument, and the volume potentiometer right there.